Hey, how's it going? So, a couple things that I want to go over. Sorry, I haven't eaten since like 9 o'clock this morning. I just got some Burger King. Anyway. BK, yeah, BK. Anyway, enough messing around. I have a new channel out there called Let's Game BK, I think it's called. I'll look after this. And I'll write in the comments what it's called for sure. But that channel will be made strict for gaming. And it works. It works to upload on that one too. I even checked it myself. And made sure that worked. Another thing. We'll wait till the guy pulls in the car wash because I don't want him to think that I'm recording him or anything. But yeah, so check out that channel too. I've just been like messing around all day today. I'm just doing nothing. I didn't done that quickly. What the frick? I'm just gonna rinse or something. I'm getting like an elite car wash. A few minutes here. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Look. It says, I don't know if you can read that sign up there, but it says, for your safety, car wash closed at approximately 10 degrees and colder. That's something that you will not see down south. I think that's just hilarious. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Well, I'll show you guys. They don't take fucking $20 bills. The highest bill they take is 10. Look, go into the fucking gas station. Get some fucking money. Son of a bitch. I would have known that, I wouldn't have fucking gone through all this. I have to leave the bank and give me it. 10s and 5s. Son of a bitch. Well, it was harder than I thought it would be. Whoa. Why does everything have to be so damn difficult? Ah, shit. Park. Turn on. Well, that'll do it for me today. Maybe I'll pull you up later so you can see, so I can tell you how that how Burger King's new rodeo burger tastes. See y'all later. Bye.